r equals 4 cos 2 theta. Let's have a go at this one then. So let's go round from naught. When theta is naught, we get cos naught is 1, so we'll get the value 4. So we'll put it in here as 4. Now when does this equal naught? Well, it'll equal naught when this is 90. This is 90 at 45 degrees, isn't it? So if I draw out pi over 4, or 45 degrees, then this value, the r values, will diminish from 4 and come around to go to 0 there at 45. And then let's have a look what happens in the next part. From 45 to 90, around here, the values here, cosine went from 1 to 0, and then it goes from 0 to minus 1, doesn't it, the cosine function? So these values will go from 0 to minus 4. So that's there. So we come around and we go around to there. And that was at pi over 2. So we're here now, and that's at minus 4. And then the values start to diminish, don't they? And they should go back to 0 at this next 45 degree point. So this is at 3 pi over 4. Oh no, pi over 2, 3 pi over 4, that's right, and this is pi. So at 3 pi over 4, put it in, you get 3 pi over 2, cos is minus 1. Cos is 90, sorry, which is naught. 3 pi over 2 is naught, isn't it? Of course it is. So it goes from minus 4, these values n of r. They're always negative here, and they come around to 0, as we said, in our when we looked at the function. So we're around to here now. We've only got to get to here. They're going to flip back being positive now, aren't they? So we're going to get that, presumably. So as we go from 3 pi over 4, which was 0, to pi, put pi in here, you get 2 pi. Cos 2 pi is 1, so you get the value 4. There. So we come out, and they start increasing in this little 45 degrees section. And they come to there. Very badly drawn, because that 4 is not. Otherwise, I don't have it to scale. So there we go. Let's put that there. And let's draw it. And I want to draw it to scale, and it comes around to there. So now we've done it then, because now it's just a reflection through the next half, because this cos function is symmetric, so we can simply draw in the other pieces of the jigsaw. So this is going to be generated in the next section. This is, and also we're going to have a loop up here. So we'll come around and go up here, and like so. Now we went round here on that quad in that 45 degree section. So this comes from that section here. That part comes from there. Then we go negative on this section, so that's when that part is generated. And then we're still negative, so that part is negative, so this part is generated from here to here. And then as we swing around the last bit, we swing from a negative, the cosine then becomes positive, so that's where we get that part from. So we can see what part of this shape is generated as we go around. We only go around once, from 0 round to 2 pi. So let's have a look at the plot then, and we can look at any section of the plot if we wish. R equals 4 cos 2 theta. So let's have a go. 4 cos 2 theta. We'll just put this in, but you can change the bounds to have a little look at any section to take a closer look. There we go. There it is there. 4 cos 2 theta.